have an energy efficiency question. So this 5-ton unit is new to me.
I got a lot of really good feedback. This is probably my favorite comment that helps me understand some of the science behind this. A lot of the comments were around HRVs and ERVs and preheating the air coming into the farm. Those are all valid options. I'm shying away from those for a couple of reasons. One is it's another thing for me to have to maintain and deal with, clean, monitor. It's another variable, and it's more complicated. The other thing is I'm in central Missouri, and a couple years ago when I went through this and looked at HRVs and ERVs, there's no clear definitive answer because we have low humidity in the winter, we have high humidity in the summer. We're like in the middle range of whether you should use an ERV or an HRV. And so that variable of not knowing which one is the right one to pick means that I could spend a lot of money and potentially cause problems as opposed to solve them. But I think this really kind of helps me shore up that let's just leave it as is for the winter. I'm going to run it like I do now. Every 3 hours, I run the exhaust for 30 minutes. And what that means in the wintertime is that it's going to have to heat that air. In some cases in central Missouri, it gets to 0. I think it was -10 was the lowest it got last winter. I can adjust and not pull in cold air in the middle of the night, but I'm still going to pull in cold air. And so this was fantastic. If you run the heat pump hard for a few minutes, you're going to create uneven cooling. Most of your energy loss is just starting up that thermal pump. There's a couple other comments around that, but this detailed info here was fantastic. Studying chemical engineering, spent a semester studying heat pumps. How wild is it that I post something and somebody with a very specific skill set and knowledge set takes some time to answer. So thank you, Chipmunk 1066. Really appreciate it. I'm going to let it ride for the winter and compare that to last year. I have all the data from last year with the old unit. So I'm going to run it the same way this winter and see how things compare and keep track of the heat, both the temperature in the farm and how long it takes to get back up to that 80 Fahrenheit in my case for the mealworms. So the other thing, I can't find the comment, but somebody did say, like, keep it simple. What you're doing is working. Why are you changing? That one hit home for me too. I tried to go back and find that so that I can reply to that person. I don't know if it disappeared or if I'm just getting old and I can't find stuff anymore. Maybe I'll find it back once I post this. But that's the other thing is sometimes I get carried away with changing stuff. This gives me that levity along with that other comment of just keeping it simple. Let's just follow things based on the science. We're doing something that makes sense, and away we go. Thank you.